Hello, y'all. Okay, somebody just called about you, Dexter and Leon. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a documentary, but don't tell y'all business. See, that's the one that ignores me. See, right there, that's Leon. Okay, this right here is to my son.
What up? What up? Yeah, what's up? Oh.
Y'all see how dirty he is? He's a working man. Tell him what happened to you yesterday. Did somebody ask to buy you?
Yeah, they put a price on me, but I refused it.
So why did they want to?
Do what I need.
Okay.
I need money. Millions and billions. That's what I need. So if you ain't got this number right here, you need to get it and call me.
Oh yeah, what's that number? No, you ain't got no business number. That's okay, y'all. He do have a business, but I ain't for sure to put him out there right now. Because they do have a business.
Yeah.
Give me the business name.
It's gonna be mind your own business.
Give me the business name. Give me the business name. I'm gonna get it off the truck.
Mind your own business. That's what
Okay.
it's called. Mind your own business.
Okay, y'all. I'm finna get it off the truck. So,
right now. We don't record right now.
look at him. Dexter, what happened to your hole in your pants?
See it back there?
Oh yeah, my son is married. But this one ain't over here. They don't know his personality.
Yeah, it rain. It's gonna rain though.
Oh. Y'all see them clouds?
You record.
Can you?
Boy, get that shit, boy. I'm telling you.
Don't get that shit.
Boy, what? You gonna be like, boy, you gonna see the tractor.
When you supposed to cut the beans? When you think about cutting the beans?
Like that plant up, man. I had it. I'm gonna get that plant together now.
Y'all, please give me the wind is blowing. Great. Let me see. I'm gonna get up in the shed.
I'll get up in that shit.
No, I gotta get in here so the wind won't blow. Now y'all probably won't feel the wind.
You can't get around with the tree. What's up? I gotta go around and come this way. Get up closer.
Y'all see how he is right here. He don't laugh. If you see him laughing, it's a miracle.
You gotta go around and move the blues over the tree gonna start up. You go from there. You go back to that. That's all right. I'll tell you what.
That's all they do is work. My son's wife want to go places and do things. He ain't got time for it no more. But y'all, let me tell y'all, when hunting time comes, man, that dude right there. Oh my God. Y'all, it's look at them leaves just falling. Is it an early fall? It's August. Y'all. He just got this thing right here to pull that right there. That truck pulls that. That's why I'm trying to see, is he going to put a logo on his truck door? But they do have their own business. But still, I don't know. Let me see, can I get some more footage of them? I really believe he making my son out of a workaholic. Let me see, can I look on this truck and see what the name is? And maybe if I can contact it. Oh, there it is, right there. There's that business right there. Y'all ever looking for for someone. I want to put my house right there. Right there. Right there is the burn pile right there. So I want to put my house somewhere right there. So y'all, I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna get out this wind, go in the house and try to edit this video here. What that tire go on? Truck. You can put a child in there. Hey, what you did with the old tires? The old ones? When you take them off, can I get one?
What?
I'm gonna use one for put a rope on it, and the other one me and the kids gonna play with.
I can use it. I can use them on the back.
I want the old one so we can. Yeah, ain't no old big tractor tires around here. We can play in.
Something back there. I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna try to find one and we're gonna play on them. Y'all, we're gonna go. I'm gonna show my grandkids how to play like we used to play when we were younger. I think I can tie one of those tires on a tree for the kids. I'm gonna go get a rope. All right, y'all, and I'll be hollering at you a little later. Wait, where's the kitties? I don't know where the cat's at. That's Leon's brother. Say hi. You can tell all of them kind of resemble, and that's all they do is just somewhere with a truck at. See him right there? His name is Joe. Hey, Joe. His name is Joe, so you guys will be seeing him. Right there at the brother. See how they act like old men. They always act like this even when they were young. Look at him. I guess they finna change tires on the truck. Maybe I can get a little footage of that. You think? Say hello, Joe.
Peace.
All right, y'all see him.
I'm on my out.
Okay, that's my ex-husband. That's my son, and that's my brother-in-law, the one that's leaning, got his hand on his hip. But they're changing the truck tire. Seemed like I would have had it done by took it to the shop and dropped it off. That's what I would have did. But they don't feel that way. I guess maybe they know why. I don't know why. But y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, you all know the channel name. Put your mind to it. Put your mind to it. putyourminetoit. Wait, let's try this again. putmine. I took away the D because somebody else had it. Mind to it. If you put your mind to it, you can achieve If you believe and you put your mind to it, you can achieve it, and you can be successful at whatever you put your mind to it. So that's why I made that channel, Put Your Mind to It. Because it doesn't start until you start it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And also leave me a comment, and also hit that notification button. Bye.